Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Happy blessed Tuesday. Look at that, guys. I'm here. I'm here to waiting my family doctor to open, guys. Beside, nandito lang sa tabi ko. Andito ako nakikipila, guys. First come, first serve. First come, first serve po. Aga ako. 6 o'clock bumaba na ako. I live around here. Just, yeah. But after I'm going to work. Just only 3 street from here, guys. So, very close. But, you know, you need to go early. Makikipila ka para first come, first serve kasi, guys. Alright. Madilim pa, oh. As you can see, madilim pa. Oh, madilim pa, oh. Another day, another vlog. It's Tuesday today. There, trees, calvos, as you can see. Para tayong Arabo, guys. Hello, everyone. Yan po ang doktor namin. Let's go walking kasi malamig. If you can stay there, standing, waiting the doctor, getting cold and cold and cold. So, kailangan natin maglakad-lakad, pabalik-balik. Diba? Kapag nagsuot ko, 3 nang suot ko, guys. Let's go walking while you're waiting the doctor. Ang linis, oh, ang kalsada. Talaga ganyan dito. Ignore it, guys. Ignore it, the mess. Ignore it, the mess. Mamaya pa mag-open, guys, ang door. 7:30. We have suffering now. 1 o'clock pa. 1 o'clock. Ano, 1 o'clock. 1 hour more. 1 hour more to wait, guys, before the door open. Tiyaga lang, guys. Tiyaga. Ganitong buhay dito, guys. Tiyaga lang para mailalaga. Kahit ganong kalamig. Look at that. My lips pa pero dry na, ah. Yellow na yellow. Bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Short video lang, ha. Thank you. Lalabas na si Apo Araw, guys, doon, oh. Doon ang laod. Diyan ang laod. Ay, laod, daya. Daya siguro. Di ba sa atin ng pagsisikat ng araw, daya. O, di yan ang daya. Baliktad pala ako. Daya. Ay, dyan ti daya. Ito ti laod. Dito ti laod. Alright. Balik-balik na lang tayo dito para hindi tayo masingitan sa pila natin, guys. Mahirap magantay kaya. Alright, that's it, guys. Yan, family doktor namin. Dito. Okay. Bye-bye. Salamat.